So before we get started with ExamView, here's the rationale for using it to build assessments in Blackboard. Blackboard is great at deploying assessments, but ExamView makes the process of creating them very simple. We're going to use ExamView's Quick Test Wizard to create an assessment. We're going to make some very minor adjustments, and I have a longer instructional that will walk you through the process, detailed process of making assessments in ExamView. And then we're going to export that assessment into a Blackboard course. First, download and install ExamView by visiting www.norton.com/instructors. In the next few steps, I'm quickly going to build an assessment in ExamView using ExamView's Quick Test Wizard. I'm not going to take time to go through each of those steps, but just know there's a video that you can refer to if you want detailed instruction. So in the next few steps, I'm going to make some minor refinements to my assessment. By double-clicking on a question, we can pretty much do anything we want to. Change basic question information, we can change the answers, we can even insert links and images. And that's something that is a little bit more difficult to do in Blackboard. Once the assessment is ready to upload into Blackboard, I will select File and then Export. And then I'm going to select Blackboard 7.1 to 9. ExamView will then ask us to name the file, name it something that's easy to remember, and save it to your desktop. And you're going to give it a title and also any instructions that you want students to see. We'll now log into our Blackboard course, and you're going to select Control Panel, and then from there, Test, Surveys, and Pools. You'll now select Test, then Import Test. Select the file that you exported from ExamView to your desktop just a moment ago, and finally hit Submit. The final step is to deploy the assessment. So determine where you'd like to place it, click Assessments, then click Test, and the test you just uploaded should appear. Select on it, hit Submit, and just answer a few more questions. How do you want the assessment to be deployed? Do you want a randomized question? Do you want the link to be immediately available to students? Once you hit the Submit button, the test is deployed, and you can take it as a student just to make sure everything came over correctly. Notice that the link I created and the image I embedded in ExamView has been exported and then re-imported into Blackboard with very little work.